went for a walk today at Tacoma Lake and Fish Creek Provincial Park, and you see across the pond there's something white, and it is bubbling. It's like soap suds, like a volcano spurting out soap suds in the middle of nowhere. Look at it. It just pops up. There's a lot of pressure behind it, making this little soap sud volcano erupt, as I call it. I've not seen anything like this before. I've been to this Tacoma Lake many times over the years, and I've never seen this happen. So what is it? I never did go over to explore up close, but there it is. A mysterious soap sud volcano erupting.